Hello, my name is Ryan and welcome to episode 17 of Bulldog Weekly. I'm joined by
Jake
and Bobby.
I think we should go get some shots up in the gym first.
The Chicago Bulls pick Michael Jordan.
Greatest player of all time, Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
Jordan beat him at the buzzer with a jump shot in the circle.
Jordan open. Chicago with the lead.
You know, I really don't have regrets. I am a person that says, you know, as soon as you look back in your history and you come up with something that you feel like you want to change, something else has to change. You know, to see that helped me put things in perspective, to understand the platform that I was on in '93, that when I went back to it in '95 and '96, I appreciated it even greater. Don't be afraid to fail.
Well, we just got done playing basketball, but my car's broken.
Hey, I know just the guy to help.
Hey, welcome back to Mason's Maintenance. I'm Mason, and today we're going to be talking about a very important part of a lot of your guys' life, which is maintaining your car, and the most important part, which is changing your car's oil. Let's check it out. I'm joined here by RBHS auto teacher, Mr. May. Mr. May, can you tell us why it's so important to change your car's oil?
Oh, there's a couple reasons why you want to change oil. The first one would be there's additives in oil that wear out over time. The second one would be over time internal combustion engines make a lot of carbon, and that carbon gets into oil and you want to remove that.
All right, Mr. May, what's our first step here?
First step I always like to do is check our oil. Just in case we don't have any oil in the car, there could be a problem with adding more oil or even new oil and causing the engine to seize up. So we always want to check it first, pull out the dipstick, read it for understanding, stick it back in. Right now we're right about there, which is about 3/4 full, and that should be good to go.
Now that we got the car lifted up, we can remove the drain plug right here. While we're waiting for that to drain, now we can remove the oil filter right here. All right, Mr. May, so how do you know how tight to make these oil filters?
Once the gasket meets, most oil filter companies require that you turn 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. There you go.
Just like that. And then our next step here is just to fill up the engine with oil. Now it's important to start the car. In order to check for leaks underneath the car, just in case something wasn't tightened properly. It looks like we're good here. All right, now we're just gonna check the dipstick here. Looks like we're good. Now that's all the steps on changing your car's oil. Mr. May, thanks so much for letting me use your garage and demonstrate in here. Thanks for watching Mason's Maintenance.
Thanks for the fix-up, Mason. My car's much better now.
And now, let's hear from our choir that went to state.
Okay, my name is Caleb McCautry. I am a tenor 1 and I've been in choir since second semester of my junior year.
My name is Henry Backus. I sing bass 2. I'm a sophomore, and I've been in choir at RB for 2 years.
My name is Bennett Janunis. I'm a bass 1, and I've been in choir all of high school.
Okay, so the audition process was somewhat rigorous. We had to practice for about 2 months before the audition videos were taken, and then we ultimately sang excerpts from, I think it was 4 or 5 different songs, and then we had to submit them via our choir teacher, and then we eventually heard back if we were allowed into district or not.
So district it's like a whole day festival where you go to Elmhurst University in Elmhurst. You're singing all day with a doctor of music, and then you put on a concert, and it's great.
Mainly the enjoyment of it, because I got to practice most definitely and just advanced more in like singing capability and technique. But enjoyment in getting to know better Caleb and Bennett, who went to state with me, I think was my favorite part of the whole experience.
Wow, that sounded angelic.
Thank you for watching episode 17 of Bulldog Weekly. We'll see you next time.